Hey there, and welcome back to another video. So today, I'll be showcasing some of the most exciting AI animation tools available right now. Hopefully, by the end of this video, I would have shown you how to find the best AI tool to suit your needs. The first AI tool we'll be covering today is Infinite Nature Zero, a tool that creates infinite fly-through videos from a single photo or view. It's so simple that you can take a single image and create a drone-like shot from that one image. It's pretty much the power of extending your canvas beyond the horizon, all from one single image. Here you can see a few examples where they've taken single images and applied them to create these generative videos that are absolutely mesmerizing. As you can see here, they simply put in a single image, and it creates a perpetual view generation. It infinitely imagines what's over the horizon and generates you a drone shot. It's really quick and easy to use, so feel free to use this one if you need some infinite drone shots from a single image. The next AI tool we'll cover is Filmora, your AI editing assistant. Filmora supercharges your workflow, giving you more time to dive into the fun creative stuff. It can automate a ton of different things while editing. It has a built-in plugin that stops you from going from window to window to create captions, titles, or check the script. One of my favorite features is its silence detection. Filmora has the ability to spot and chop off those awkward pauses, making some of the most dull and repetitive tasks, and automates it entirely for you. This leaves you more breathing room to really make your content shine. There is also text-to-speech and the AI audio stretch features, which lets you play around with your music track lengths to make them sync up perfectly with your clips. Additionally, there's also the AI Auto Beat Sync, which you can make edits to match the beat of your music. Filmora has an amazing user interface which is easy to learn and use. It's certainly a step up and has a whole host of AI backend features that you can try out for free in the link below. Now, if you're also an AI animator looking to showcase your work and explore some of the latest technologies, be sure to take a look at AI Animation. It is a personal showcase platform for your projects. Just picture it as a dedicated gallery displaying your work to clients looking for AI artists. From here, you can network to meet fellow creatives, and as always, registration is free, but it's also definitely worth checking out to stay updated with its latest tools, techniques, and other works from its other creatives. Of course, we have to cover Deep Motion, which is a 3D motion capture platform. This tool allows you to convert your video clips into 3D animations effortlessly, adding an extra dimension to your creations without the complexities and tedium of doing it yourself. You can simply film yourself and upload a video to create an animated 3D character just like this one. This is great if you're working on an animation project or if you're looking to create some sort of AI animated avatar for yourself. Now, another application I want to cover is CapCut, an all-in-one video editor equipped with a ton of AI tools. My favorite feature of CapCut is the way it allows you to insert an image and create some animated effects on top of it. I also particularly like this 3D zoom effect, which gives you this beautiful perspective where it comes up from below to pan around your character. It works really well if you've got a portrait that is shot just below the head. There's also another variation to this program which is called 3D Zoom Pro. Simply upload your image, click on it, go to Style, and choose the correct animation, and it'll be created in CapCut in seconds. You can then export that and send it directly to you. Another feature is the camera bounce, which is really good for a slightly more quirky or humorous piece of art you wish to put in. It really also works well with architecture for the 3D zoom feature. The next AI tool is Meta Demo Lab Sketch. This brings drawings to life by imbuing your illustrations with the ability to create your own animated stories. It's focused on animating children's drawings, but you can also use this tool for other situations as well. Simply upload your drawing, fill out the optional consent form, feel free to tweak your drawing, help to find your character's joints, and it'll automatically animate your character just like this. This is a very useful way to give life to static images, especially if you're also using works from Midjourney or Stable Diffusion. Now another tool is Leia Pix Converter. This tool morphs your 2D images into 3D visuals. It's pretty much like giving your art the power to leap off the page and jump through the screen into third dimension. It's great for taking your 2D images and giving them just a little bit of life to take them to the next level. Now the next one is DID Studios, an AI tool that I personally use a good amount. It generates professional videos from still images with text and audio. It's like having your own animated actor to use at your beck and call. It's also perfect for creating presentation videos. If you've seen those parody videos on YouTube like Harry Potter by Balenciaga, they were all created using DID Studios. It's a really powerful program, so I highly recommend using this if you wish to make some talking animated avatars. Now finally, we're gonna talk about Kyber. It's a great animation tool that's available for AI right now. Simply upload an image, and it'll automatically animate it into a beautiful, mesmerizing video. It can react to audio, you can even transform the style, and create videos based on certain story builds. It's pretty much like having a multi-purpose animation studio ready to materialize your wildest ideas. Just look at some of these beautiful examples from the works coming out of Kyber. And that's really all there is for a showcase of the best AI animation tools available right now. If you have any comments with this showcase, feel free to leave them down in the comments section below. And as always, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.